reminder that your bill is due? Interested in knowing that your payment posted? Notifications in SmartHub can do exactly that. Email or text important information about your account. You tell SmartHub when and how to contact you. This video shows you how to do it on SmartHub Web. A couple of quick notes. Notifications only work when you have some place to send them, so check out the Managing SmartHub Contacts video before continuing here. Second, notifications are set by your provider. The notifications you see here may differ from what you see when you log into SmartHub Web. From the SmartHub homepage, click the Notifications tab. Click Manage Notifications. And here's the Manage Notifications screen. You're seeing various categories of notifications. Click the category drop-down to view the available notifications in that category. Notifications that are grayed out are required by your provider. For example, a message goes out if payment is late. You cannot turn required notifications off, but you can change how you receive them. Others may have been set up for you by default, but you can turn them off, like this. Say you wanted an email when your payment posted. Click this checkbox. And now, an email will be sent to your default email address, the one you use to log into SmartHub Web. Well, that's great, but what if you also want that information texted to you? Not a problem. Click Edit. Here you see all the contacts you've entered into SmartHub Web. Since you've already entered your mobile number, select it here. Click Save. And now SmartHub texts and emails you when your payment is made. Some notifications give you options. For example, you can select the number of days before a payment is due that you want to receive a reminder. Click the Options link. Just enter the number of days before the due date, let's say 3 days, and click Add Options. And now you'll be notified 3 days before your due date. What if you no longer want to get a notification? Easy, uncheck the box. And the notification no longer goes out. And that's the basics of notifications in SmartHub Web. Here's a recap. Access the Manage Notifications page and turn on the notifications you want. Determine where you want your notifications sent and adjust options to meet your needs. Thanks for watching this SmartHub Smart Clip. You've just seen how to manage SmartHub notifications. If you'd like more information on how to take advantage of SmartHub's many capabilities, contact your SmartHub provider.